Welcome back to French Fries by Emily. Are you wondering what is this mysterious place? Have I been landed up in front of Hogwarts? No, that's just a joke. You can't see Hogwarts anywhere, can you? Alright, let's get on. This is my terrace. And the reason I'm here is because today I want to teach you about the basic parts of the plant in French. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started with this lesson. The first and most vital part of the plant is the root. So the root is called la racine in French. La racine. La racine. La racine. Hope you got that. The next one is the fruit. The fruit is called la fruit. 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 This can be a bit hard, I know, but the spelling is the same as fruit, only that it's pronounced like fruit. Fruit. And once you're in an advanced level, you have to say it like fruit. Fruit. Hope you got that. Now we are going on to the stem. The stem is known as la tige. La tige in French. Now let's move on to the flower. The flower is known as la fleur. La fleur. La fleur in French. Let's take a look at the flower. This is a bud. It is also known as le bourgeon. Bourgeon. We have a bud that looks like this. They are really cute. Okay, so let's master this pronunciation once more. Bourgeon. Bourgeon. This can be pretty hard to get, but once you get it, it's awesome. Next, we have the leaf. La fleuelle. La fleuelle. Notice that I don't say la fleuelle. I say la fleuelle. You have to extend it, okay? La fleuelle. La fleuelle. The leaf is green can be called les feuilles sont vertes. The leaves are green. Les feuilles sont vertes. The flowers are beautiful are also called les fleurs sont belles. Les fleurs sont belles. And they are, aren't they? Look at this plant. There are many buds over here. And they're quite small, aren't they? Now, how would you say the buds are small in French? You would say les bourgeons sont petits. Les bourgeons sont petits. The buds are small. So now guys, I think you have learnt enough about the basic parts of the plant, and the least you can really do is subscribe to my channel. And if you already have, great, kudos to you. But the least you can already do is recommend this channel to your friends, family, whoever you know. And please like this video if you've really got something out of it. And I'm also leaving links to the most popular uploads of my channel. Be sure to like them, and also don't forget to subscribe to my newsletter of my website. À bientôt!